Jai Hind, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and ready for your EVS period. So once again, I am welcoming you to the EVS period, a subject that is really very interesting to know because you all are small kids and you have loads of curiosity in your mind. How this thing happens, how that happens, and so many questions, right? So, this subject is going to give you all the answers of your queries, of your imaginations, of the questions that you are asking to your parents, to your elders, to everyone, right? And yes, your questions are genuine questions because yes, you really want to know that how things are functioning, how things are happening. बिल्कुल आप सही हैं. आपको ये क्वेश्चंस करते रहना चाहिए एंड हमें क्वेरीज अपने मन में हमेशा रखनी चाहिए. अगर हम जानने की इच्छा रखते हैं तभी हम अच्छा जानकार बन सकते हैं, हम अच्छी चीज़ें जान सकते हैं. जो अगर पूछते ही नहीं, जो क्वेश्चंस करते ही नहीं, तो उन्हें कैसे पता चलेगा कि कैसे हो रहा है चीज़ें, है ना? सो वी शुड बी ऑलवेज हैव अ क्यूरियोसिटिव माइंड. क्योंकि हमेशा आपने देखा होगा एग्जाम्पल्स भी कि जितने बड़े बड़े साइंटिस्ट होते हैं ना, वो सब बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी रखते हैं. जैसे कि आइंस्टाइन, है ना? आपने नाम सुना है ना उनका, आइंस्टीन का, राइट? सो प्लीज़ कैरी ऑन योर क्वेरीज एंड yes, this subject, ये subject जो है आपका बेटा EVS, I told you in your previous class that this subject is all about environmental studies and about the environment. कैसे होता है, हम किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं, कैसे चलता है, क्या सराउंडिंग्स में होते हैं, कैसे पेड़ बढ़ते हैं, कैसे लाइफ चलती है, एवरीथिंग दैट यू नो फ्रॉम दिस सब्जेक्ट. ये सब्जेक्ट आपका बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट प्रैक्टिकली टेल्स यू दैट हाउ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. अभी तक आप जानते थे कि होता तो है, ऐसा होता है, बट क्यों होता है उसका आंसर आपको नहीं पता था. तो उसके लिए आप इस सब्जेक्ट को रेफर करेंगे तो आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर मिलेगा कि क्यों होता है, राइट? सो चिल्ड्रन, in our previous class, that is yesterday, we have learnt one lesson and we have revised the lesson. At the same time, we have done the book exercise of that lesson. And the topic was keeping healthy. So children, I hope that you have completed your work and you all have learned the book exercises too. I'm going to ask some questions, but before that, I would just like to tell you one healthy habit. What is that? Just let me tell you that. Listen to me carefully. Nowadays, beta, you are using your mobile phones or your computer screen to study, to attend the class, right? Because as you all know that we cannot go outside, right? So this is the medium for us to interact to each other, and I know that you feel really very happy to have a live session with your teachers, right? Equally, we also feel very happy, very excited to meet you all, and that's why we do a lot of preparations for you, so that the next day we can meet you, we can talk to you, we can teach you something special, right? तो आज हम कुछ सीखने तो वाले हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. जैसा कि मैं आपको कह रही थी कि मोबाइल फ़ोन्स, गैजेट्स हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बट एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखेंगे बेटा. वाइल अटेंडिंग द क्लास यू नीड टू ब्लिंक योर आईज on a regular basis, or you may say frequently. Okay, why I am saying this? Because when we wink our eyes, our muscles that are there in the eyes, it expands and contracts. सो इससे क्या होता है, हमें आइज़ को रिलीफ मिलती है। अगर हम किसी चीज़ को बहुत देर तक एक टक ऐसे देखते ही रहेंगे तो हमारी आँखों में दर्द शुरू होता है, थोड़ा डिस्कम्फर्ट फील होता है, दर्द नहीं बट स्लाइटली वी फील डिस्कम्फर्ट। सो टू गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम द डिस्कम्फर्ट, अ स्मॉल टिप फॉर यू, दैट इज कीप winking your eyes in between while attending the class. So this way your eyes will be relaxed, you will be relaxed, and just when you are attending the class, keep yourself moving your hands, legs, the way you all do, right? Be a child. Definitely, we all love to be a child, and I love my students. I know that you all listen to me very carefully. I know that you all follow my instructions also. That's why you all are very, very lovable and adorable to me. So children, now let's start our today's class. Okay, so yesterday we have learnt about keeping healthy. So the points were that we have to keep ourselves healthy. How? We have discussed it, like to get up early, to take bath, to exercise in the morning, to have good food, a healthy food, to wear clean clothes, and to brush our teeth twice a day. Then whenever we have to clean the ear, use earbud. Water should be water that we are consuming, it should be filtered or boiled. So these are few small tips that we have shared with you, and it is really very easy to follow. If you follow these things, beta, definitely you will see that you can keep yourself healthy and you will stay away from any diseases, any problems, right? This is my assurance to you, but you have to ritually follow these rules, right? So today children, after doing the book exercise, we are going to start our notebook work. So please get your notebook, EVS notebook, and pencil, eraser, scale, and few pencil colors. So in the meanwhile, I am just going to share my screen. Till the time I do so, please be ready with the things that just I told you. That is your notebook, your your EVS notebook, pencil, eraser, scale, and some pencil colors. Be ready fast. So here I am ready with my notebook. Are you all ready? So come on, now you can see my computer screen. So hope that you all are ready with your EVS notebooks. Great. So now children, the first thing that we are going to do is we will start the work by filling our index page. Isn't so? In periodic test course also, previously also before summer vacation, you have filled the index page, right? The same way we are going to do this time too. So here I am going to share the index page. See how it looks. So now you open your notebook and the first page that you will see is the index page. What is the meaning of index? Index means that inside whatever we write, we just note down the topics in the index so that we can get to know that what all contents are there inside the notebook. I am going to repeat this same in Hindi, beta. हम इंडेक्स क्यों लिखते हैं बेटा? फर्स्ट पेज में हमेशा इंडेक्स होता है. क्यों होता है बच्चा? क्योंकि इंडेक्स में हम वो टॉपिक्स लिखते हैं जो कि हमारी कॉपी में आगे सारी चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं, नोटबुक में वो सारी चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं. तो इससे हमें बहुत इजीली पता चल जाता है कि हमने अपने नोटबुक में कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स पर लिखा हुआ है. ओके, सो बेटा नाउ फर्स्ट ओपन दी फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ योर इंडेक्स. देखो वहाँ पर ऐसा ही लिखा आपको कुछ दिखेगा, दैट देयर इज एन इंडेक्स. ओके, एंड यू विल सी सम कॉलम्स एंड रोज लाइक दिस. कुछ कॉपीज़ में आपके हो सकते हैं थोड़े बहुत टाइटल्स अलग होंगे, बट ऑलमोस्ट ऑल यू विल सी दैट इट्स सेम. Like you will see serial number, then you will see date, then title, page number and then teacher sign or remarks. सो फर्स्ट बेटा आपको फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या करना है, पीरियोडिक टेस्ट का आपने कोर्स कंप्लीट कर लिया था समर वेकेशन के पहले. सो नाउ वी आर प्रोसीडिंग विद आवर हाफ ईयरली कोर्स. तो हाफ ईयरली का कोर्स स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम एक कॉलम में ऐसे लिखेंगे हाफ ईयरली. सी हाउ आई हैव रिटन हाफ ईयरली. यू ऑल्सो प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस सेम हाफ yearly, HALF, half, YEARLY, yearly, half yearly. Write it down beta everyone. Now come to the next column, and in the next column serial number, write down number 1. In the column of date, write down today's date, that is 8.7.2020. And then here in the title column you will write down the name, number of the lesson and the name of the lesson, that is lesson 7, keeping healthy. Lesson 7, keeping healthy. So please write down the index page, fill it fast. Okay children, while writing it down, make sure that you write well. Handwriting should be neat and clean. Very neatly you have to fill your index beta. Okay, done. Now let's open our copy or notebook. So you have done till clothes. आपने क्लोथ्स चैप्टर तक का क्वेश्चन आंसर एक्टिविटी किया हुआ था. अब हम उसके आगे अपना वर्क करेंगे. ओके, वी विल डू द वर्क फ्रॉम आफ्टर द चैप्टर द क्लोथ्स दैट वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. ओके, so now open the page. Great. Now first page में जहाँ पर बेटा your EVS copy, one side it is a plain page, there is a plain page, and on the other side it is 4 line. There are 4 lines. So on the white page, you will write down homework HW. Okay, write down HW on the white page. आपने पीरियोडिक टेस्ट में भी ऐसे लिखा हुआ है, आपने ऐसा काम किया हुआ है बेटा. सो यू ऑलरेडी आर अवेयर ऑफ इट दैट हाउ टू राइट इट. होमवर्क को हम कहाँ लिखने वाले हैं? वाइट पेज में. यू हैव टू राइट दिस होमवर्क इन दी वाइट पेज. सो बिफोर यू स्टार्ट द वर्क, प्लीज राइट डाउन द डेट. देखो डेट लिखा हुआ है ना, जस्ट चेक इट हियर ऑन माई कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन. डेट 8/7/20 and then write down homework HW. आप जब आपने ये कॉलम फिल कर लिया, then please write down this first write down the heading in the first line. फर्स्ट लाइन में आपको ये लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? ड्रॉ और पेस्ट द पिक्चर ऑफ द थिंग्स which help us to keep clean. You have to draw or paste the picture of the things that helps us to keep clean. Now please write down. Start writing from the first line. ऊपर की फर्स्ट लाइन छोड़नी नहीं है. ओके, डू नॉट लीव द लाइन. यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट लाइन, and once the first line is over, then you have to continue in the second line. Okay, so write the heading, then I will tell you what is the meaning of this, what is today's homework. Be careful with the spellings beta. Okay, done. Okay, so children, what is the homework? That you have to either you can draw or paste the pictures of the things that helps you to keep clean. What all things that helps you to keep clean? Like soap, shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, right? And few more things, oil, comb, clean clothes. These all things helps you to remain clean, and any of these things you can draw, right? So how to draw? In the white page, where you have the white page, you will draw it here, not in my page. You have to draw it in your notebook. Okay, done? Okay, now let's move to the next page. होमवर्क आपने लिख लिया होगा. देखो, एक साइड में होमवर्क का पेज वाइट पेज रहता है, दूसरी तरफ 4 लाइन्स रहते हैं. तो अब आपको दूसरा वाला जो वर्क करना है वो 4 लाइन में करना है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दी क्लास वर्क. सो हियर इट इज. यस, क्लास वर्क. देखो, क्लास वर्क में आपको क्या करना है बेटा? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दी हेडिंग at the top. What you have to do is, first at the top of the page you have to write down the date, that is 8 full stop 7 full stop 20, and then after that you have to write down class work, CW. Done? Now, after writing down the date and classwork at the top of the page, in the first line, पहली line में, first line, you will write down the heading like this: Lesson 7, Keeping Healthy. Lesson 7, Keeping Healthy. What is the spelling of keeping? K-E-E-P-I-N-G. Keeping. And what is the spelling of healthy? Healthy. Healthy. So please write it down. I want that everybody should be ready by writing the date, classwork and the first heading. Now, after writing down the first heading, now in the second line, from the beginning, you will be outside the margin. Where? Outside the margin. Margin के बाहर आप लिखेंगे exercise number A. What you will write? Exercise number A. And write down who am I. मार्जिन के अब अंदर लिखना है, ठीक है? मार्जिन के बाहर आपको एक्सरसाइज A लिखना है और मार्जिन के अंदर आपको लिखना है हेडिंग who am I? Question mark. So today we are going to do this classwork, and the classwork is who am I? This is the first exercise of this lesson. Be ready with these 4 things. Fast. Make sure your handwriting is up to the mark, very neat and tidy and very beautiful, just like you. So now, after I hope that you all have written all these things. Great. Now, write down number 1 outside the margin and write the first sentence. I help you to clean your body. Who am I? I help you to clean your body. Can you tell me who helps us to clean our body? And the answer is soap. What is the answer? Soap. Great. Now please write it down in your notebook. Okay, beta, take care of the spellings. Now, after writing number 1, write down, after completing the answer, what you are supposed to do? You have to draw a line like this. See? Use pencil color to draw the line. Okay? After completing the question and answer of the first one. Now write down the second question. What is the second question? I help you to brush your teeth. I help you to brush your teeth. Who am I? Can you tell me? I help you to brush your teeth. And the answer is toothbrush. The answer is toothbrush. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. B-R-U-S-H, brush, toothbrush. Once you are done, beta, draw a line after completing the second answer. Draw a line with the help of a scale and pencil color. Now, the third question. And the third question is, I help you to clean your ears. And who am I? A cotton bud. Yes, cotton bud helps us to keep our ears clean. So just write it down. First write down the third question and then write down the answer. Now after completing the third question, draw a line, beta. After writing down the answer of the third question, please draw the line. Why we are drawing the line? Because by drawing the line, we can show that we have completed each and every answer and it makes our notebook look neat and tidy. Now, the last question. Question number 4. And the question number 4 is, I help you to massage your hair. What we use to massage our hair? Oil. Yes, you are right. While writing, beta, just take care of your handwriting. If there is any spelling mistake, use eraser, rub it properly and then again write it. But while rubbing it, please take care that you do not tear the page. Make sure your notebook should be very neat and tidy. Okay, children, after doing number 4, please draw the line. I am giving you few more seconds to complete the work. Is it done? I hope that everybody by now must have done it. Okay, so children, still somebody is left? Is it so? Okay, no problem. Once again, I will share my screen. Do it. I'm giving you 1 more minute. 1 more minute to go. Once again, let's read it out. Who am I? Number one, I help you to clean your body. And the answer is soap. Second question is, I help you to brush your teeth. And the answer is toothbrush. The third question is, I help you to clean your ears. And the answer is cotton bud. And the fourth question is, I help you to massage your hair. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Okay, children, so hope that you have done your work. Everybody has finished it. I'm sure that 99% of you all have completed your work. You all need to be fast. Okay, if anybody is left, don't worry beta, I'm going to share the same PDF in your WhatsApp group too. So you can refer it from this PDF. Okay, but then children, you have to promise me that next time you will be more punctual and you will complete your work in time. Okay, so if you practice more and more, you will see that you will improve your handwriting speed and then you will not be left out. Okay, so now children, I'm going to end today's session. We will meet again in our next period. Till then, just keep yourself happy, stay safe. And yes, whatever we have done today as a class work, you have to learn it. And one more homework that you have to do is to draw the pictures of the things that keep us clean. I know that you all love drawing. So enjoy the today's homework. Bye.